nothing has went wrong. We don't know what is inside the caste census, what they have done. First of all, there cannot be caste census. Caste census can be only done by the government of India. It is not census. It is an exercise, survey. So accordingly, as per the Lingayat community is concerned, we have said there are many subcastes into Lingayat subset. Many subsects have written it as Hindu Ganika, Hindu Sadru, Hindu Banijga, Hindu Reddy, Hindu Malgar, so to that. But these are all Lingayat sub-communities. Just because of the reservation, if they have registered as Hindu Malgar or Hindu Ganika, doesn't mean that they are not Lingayats. They should be counted. When you count them, the real picture will come. The real picture will come. That exercise has to be done. You have all the subcaste, whatever, respect of whatever they have written. We know very well, everybody knows they are all Lingayat subcaste, and they have to bring under one roof and count them. So that is my demand.
Saying that it's not scientifically done.
I don't know. I have not seen.
Many top leaders.
Well, when it is not opened, how can you say it is not scientifically done? If it is correct, we have no issues. If it is not correct, we will tell the Honorable CM, should set it right.
So major opposition is coming from Lingayats and Vokaligas, and that is what the BJP.
Naturally, I also saw in a leading newspaper yesterday that Lingayats, they have been mentioned 65 lakhs. If whether this 65 lakhs is included by counting all this, what I have said, then it is okay. If they are not counted them, then it is the wrong thing.
So where is the fear stemming from, sir? The government hasn't released the report, so where is the fear
That's
stemming
what,
from?
I don't know. You media should tell. Honorable Chief Minister said that he will open it in the cabinet.
Sir, we heard that Lingayat community seniors have also given representative to you that to oppose the report, sir.
No, the question of, Virusha Mahasabha is independent. All are independent. I cannot talk on behalf of them. They have got their right. But what my stand, and I have talked to Ishwar country also, all the Lingayat subsect, irrespective of whatever they have written because of the reservation, because Ganika gets 2A, Sadru gets 2A, Banijga gets 2A, Lingayat Reddys gets, the Hindu Reddy, if they get 3A, Hindu Malgar, they get 2A. For that purpose, if they have written, and if they are not counted, then it will become a great injustice to the Lingayat community. They have to be counted. And if they have been counted, and if that comes to 65 lakhs, we'll agree. If they have not been counted, they have to be counted. They have to be born under one roof. That's all.